guys, November 12th, 2024. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got a, I've been there before. He's got a gas boiler with some zone valves. I believe, no, it might be oil. It might be an oil boiler. Anyway, it's a boiler and he's got zone valves. And he's complaining about one of the zones is running wild. Keeps heating up and won't shut off. So I don't know if it's a thermostat issue or a wire issue or a zone valve head that's not shutting off. Zone valves is you'd have like one circulator and a bunch of zone valves. Say you got three thermostats, three zone valves and one circulator, or you could have three separate circulators. Zone valves is a cheaper way of doing it. Not necessarily better, but a cheaper way. And if the zone valve don't shut off, that one zone don't shut off, any of the other zones calls, it's gonna, send heat to that zone. So that's usually what happens with those. Either the thermostat's calling all the time, or the zone valve's not shutting off, and one of the other zones calls, and it sends, heat to that other zone that's not shutting down, and it runs what I call running wild. It doesn't, you can't regulate it. So I do have zone valves in the truck, complete, that I can drain down, cut it out. I don't know if there's antifreeze in this system or not. But anyway, that's what we're gonna go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. He had this one here had power. Thermostat's off. And it's calling. He's taking the thermostat off the wall. Look at a bad thermostat wire there. He's taking the thermostat off the wall. Still calling. You got a bad thermostat wire.
Yeah.
Yeah. The wire going up there, because watch, I got 24 volts here.
This is the one we've had a problem with in the past.
Well, you got a bad thermostat wire there.
Yep.
That wire, unless it's, have you played around with the thermostat up there? Have you taken it off? Are the wires touching it anywhere you can see?
I haven't taken that one off at all.
Let's take a look at it.
The only one I took off was the one on the second floor, because that's the one that was acting up with the batteries and everything.
Well, obviously, if the wire in the wall is the mice chew on it or something and it's touching, yeah, it's just like the thermostat calling, right? Oh, what the fuck kind of unit you got there? Holy shit. Is that something you just put in?
No, this was here when we bought the house.
Yeah. I don't think it's that, but it's definitely this thermostat wire between here and downstairs is a problem.
Yep.
See it?
Yep. Huh.
So we're gonna have to run a new wire. It's not that, because that's wide open. This is the only one that's hooked up to that, or is there more than one?
No, this is the only one hooked up to that one.